Hi, I'm Malik Jordan from LearnColorGrading and FilmSimplified.com. Okay, using the curves might be a bit challenging because all the curves are basically lump summed into one small window. How can we get a larger curves preview and make it a bit easier to work with curves? When you're dealing with curves in DaVinci Resolve, sometimes it gets a bit tricky to see all the different curves in one display. So for example, if I control the red curve and I add a bunch of points, and the green curve, and then maybe add some points to the blue curve, it can get a bit confusing with all the points and the curves in the same display. Let's reset. A nice trick that I like to use is to simply go to Color, Nodes, and add a Splitter Combiner node. So now you have 3 new nodes added. It's pretty simple. The first node is your red channel, then this is the green, and this is the blue channel. So now you have a full curve display for every channel. So for example, if I select the first node here and I pull the highlights up, notice I'm making the image red because this is my red channel. Let's reset. And if I go to the next one, this is my green channel. Let's reset. And the last one is the blue channel. So now I have a full display for every single channel. So for example, I can come to the first node, reduce red in shadows and increase it in highlights. And then I can go to the blue curve and inverse the same operation. So now you have a full curve dedicated only for your blue channel, which will make your control to your blue channel much easier, and you can go to the red and control it also in a more precise way. And this makes working with curves a bit easier in DaVinci Resolve. If you like this, please visit us at LearnColorGrading and FilmSimplified.com to join our free course about the basics of color grading in DaVinci Resolve 15. Thank you.